Welcome you all to D2R Design Academy. In this video, let us discuss about internship opportunity at IIT Bhubaneswar. D2R Design Academy is a one-stop destination for diploma as well as engineering graduates for internship and job updates. Watch the video till the end to know about the opportunity, application procedure and requirements. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So here we will be discussing about the internship opportunity at IIT Bhubaneswar, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar. It's a notification released for the academic year 2021 to 22. The last date for application is 21st November 2021. The website link will be provided in the description. So now let us quickly move forward to the website where I will show you further more details. Yeah, students, so here as you can see, this internship opportunity is for the students from government funded technical institutes, and they should be referred by various academicians. It means that in his college, either the professor, HOD should provide him the reference that this student would be like to pursue his internship in your esteemed organization. So the available fields are School of Basic Sciences, Earth, Ocean and Climatic Sciences, Electrical Sciences, Infrastructure, Mechanical Sciences, Humanities and many more. The applications have been started from 22nd October 2021 and the last date for submission is 21st November 2021 till 11 p.m. The tenure for internship will be 3 weeks from 6th of December 2021 to 31st of December 2021. And the internship will be carried out through online mode only, as you can see over here. And now in the application there are few attachments that needs to be done. You need to upload few files. Those are, first is your photograph, its requirement or here mentioned over here. Next it's your signature, its requirements, and the format of signature is present over here. Next, your transcripts nothing but your engineering marks memos, semester wise marks memos are called as transcripts. So student need to present his transcripts in PDF form. Next is his resume, which must be in PDF format. Next is a bona fide certificate. Bona fide certificate is nothing but your certificate by institute. For example, you are studying in JNTU Kakinada. It's certificate which says that the following student is studying in his organization. Like this. The sample is also present. You can submit, take the print on your college letterhead and submit it. And your identity card, which is either your Aadhaar card, voter ID card or passport, anything. Now any other certificate related to your 10th, like your SSC mark memo, and any other certificates like if you have done any other internships previously, you have done any research work, those also can be attached. Next, here the few important things are, after selection you have to submit your hard copy of application form, and all these files, Xerox files which are duly signed by the student should be sent to the institute. Next thing is, the student who is selected, if the guide wants him to pursue the internship at the institute, then he has to submit an application form which will be approved by the faculty supervisor. Then he can stay in the hostel accommodation of IIT Bhubaneswar, whose cost, food and stay cost, should be paid by the student only, right? Next, the final thing is that on completion of internship, student will have to submit a report based on which he will receive a training completion certificate, right? So this will be more valuable. Now other thing is that you can see the selected students will be informed only through email and SMS. So make sure that you provide your correct email address and mobile number. And if you have any more queries, you can reach out to this following email address, right? Now let us see how you will be sample of your application form. What are the details that are required? So there are 7 steps. First step is your basic. Second is your home institution details, wherever you are studying at present. Third step is your personal details. Fourth step is your qualification, whatever you are having. Fifth step are the attachments. Sixth is declaration, and seventh is submission or review. So as you can see here, name of the applicant, internship type, winter will be coming over here. Next, providing school, whichever school you are studying. Next, duration. Source of finance. Source of finance is nothing but there are two types that you can have financing. One is self-financing, other is institute financing. As I have said you, if you are studying in JNTU Kakinada, few institute will fund students to apply for internship and study over there. Since it will be a research internship, institute can fund as well. So you can write over here self-funded. It means that student himself will be funding, or else institute funded, right? Next, duration of funding will be 3 weeks, and amount, how much will the institute be funding. For example, total cost of stay for 3 weeks is around 5,000. If institute is paying 3,000, you can write institute funding as 3,000. Okay, like this. Remaining will be paid by the student. Next is your institute details, wherever you are studying, what are your coursework, and name of the contact details of HOD or some details like this. Next will be your personal details, like which category you come under, gender and mother's name, father's name, address for correspondence, like those details, personal details. Next is your qualification, whatever the qualification you are having. Either are you in your, if you are in your UG, write your UG. If you are in your PG, write in your PG, like BTech or MTech, right? And here, for example, if you are in 3rd semester, fill marks till 2nd semester, like your previous semester marks should be present, right? Latest marks should be noted down over here. Any other information if you have, you can do that. And here are your attachments, like I've already told you: photograph, signature, transcripts, resume, bona fide certificate, and identity card. Any other, if you have like any other internship or research activity certificates, that also can upload them. Next is your declaration that you don't have any health issues. If you have any, you can mention them over here. Any chronic diseases, you can mention them over here. And other thing is your criminal or disciplinary offense. You have not done any crime or no FIRs are lodged against you. If there are any, then you can mention them over here. What are they? After this, you can submit the application. We'll see how the submitted application, filled application form will be like this. You will having your application number and apply date, name, and details will be present over here, right? All those things you can have a look how your final submission will be. Whatever the signature you have uploaded, it will be attached over here. After this, you can click on print application, and this is your application. So I will be providing this link here, basic home link. I will be providing in the description. You can check it out from there. And now my advice is for the students who are applying, it's a good opportunity. You can avail the internship by staying at home. You can do like by staying at home, you can have a certificate or internship certificate from IIT Bhubaneswar. That will be huge valuable for you. So if you are falling in those departments, make sure to apply for the internship program. If you have any queries, don't forget to mention them in the comment section. I will get back to them. Till then, stay strong, stay safe.